GoDaddy Payments connects seamlessly to your existing GoDaddy product. Use payments to securely process credit cards, manage your payments, issue refunds, and get access to your funds faster. I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to start using GoDaddy Payments on your website. In this demo, I'll show you how to set up GoDaddy Payments on your Websites + Marketing site, create your GoDaddy Payments profile, and link your bank account. Let's get started with setting up GoDaddy Payments on your website. You can connect to GoDaddy Payments on a new or existing site. From your Websites + Marketing dashboard, choose Commerce, then Payment Methods under Settings. Here you can see a list of payment gateways that you can connect to for your site. For this demo, we're focusing on GoDaddy Payments. To get started, click Connect. Now you're ready to create your GoDaddy Payments profile.
We'll pull what information we know about you in some of the fields, but you'll have to fill in the rest. When things look good, click Save.
Make sure everything looks good one last time, click Confirm. At this point, we may need some additional information to help us confirm your identity. If this is the case, you'll be asked one of two things. To verify your phone number, where we'll send a text with a code to your phone and you'll enter that in the Verify Phone Number field, or we'll ask you for a photo of a government ID. You'll choose which type of ID you'd like to share and upload the photo. Then we'll capture a current photo using your camera to match it all up. Once you've gone through the additional verification, if that was required, then you're ready to move on to the last step, linking your bank account. As part of the setup process, you'll see this pop up to link your bank account. This is something you want to do so you can get paid. If for some reason you don't have your bank logon credentials ready, you can click Not Now and set this up later. We're going to click Add Bank Info. There are two ways to connect to your bank. You can log in with your bank credentials, or you can manually enter the routing and bank account number, which is what I'm going to do. When everything is connected, you'll return to the payment section of your online store and you'll see that GoDaddy Payments is connected. And that's how you set up GoDaddy Payments to accept any major debit or credit cards on your Websites + Marketing website. I'm Emily. See you next time.